What's up, Kitchen Ken folks? Big Mister here, and it's the weekend, baby. Listen, I am here in the kitchen, and I am only slightly more hungry than I am sleepy. So I'm going to whip up something quick for breakfast. I'm going to make some breakfast tacos. What's going to be in them? Whatever the hell I can find in the refrigerator. Let's get started. Fussing about the tomatoes, that's the first thing you grab.
Yes, I'm mad because the tomatoes are in the way. What's I'm eating? I know they breakfast tacos, but what's in it?
It's a refrigerator taco. It's got
So whatever we had in the refrigerator went in my taco?
Yep, it's got sausage and Mexican sausage.
What the hell is Mexican sausage?
Chorizo.
Okay.
Talk louder. I was just saying, talk louder.
My mouth is full. I know people get tired of seeing me chew and eat.
They love watching you chew.
Broken nail? No, I'm just
Fine.
It's a breakfast taco, y'all. There's stuff in there. Can y'all see that?
Ooh, cheesy.
Ooh, cheesy. But I gotta go right, and y'all know what y'all gotta go do. Like, comment, share, all that good shit.
Forgot one.
What? Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Hey!
Mouthful of food. Deuces, y'all.